Here we will see SQL Server Management Studio installation. Microsoft SQL Management Studio allows you to design, query and manage databases using SQL Server. Follow the steps outlined below to install it on your system. Once the installation process is completed, you are back to SQL Server Installation Center. Download the install file from the SQL Server Management Studio download page. Scroll down and click the link to download SSMS 18.9.1. Open the install file to start the setup. Choose an install location and click Install to continue. Once the installation process is complete, click Close to exit the setup. To access the Management Studio, go to Start menu. Then from Programs, select Microsoft SQL Server Tools 18. And from there, select Microsoft SSMS 18. Below Connect to Server, following screen will appear. Server name defaults to the name selected while installing the MS SQL Server. Here Server type is an option to select one out of 4 available MS SQL service options. We will be working on database engine for creating and working with database. Other server type includes analysis, reporting and integration services. Server name is the server's name where MS SQL Server is installed and need to establish the connection with that server. Generally we use the server name as machine name / instance name. Here instance is the name given to the SQL Server instance while SQL Server installation. Authentication is defaulted to Windows Authentication if we use Windows Authentication during the SQL Server installation. And if we select mixed mode, that is Windows Authentication and SQL Server Authentication, then authentication will be defaulted to SQL Server installation. Username and password. If authentication is selected other than Windows Authentication like SQL Server installation, then these two fields will be required.